Hello everyone. Today let's talk about one of the most important topic of artificial intelligence, which is reasoning and chain of thought scaling. You may have noticed that some modern AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or DeepSeek often provide much better answer than earlier models. But have you ever wondered why? The answer is simple. They don't just generate text anymore, they are becoming much better at reasoning. So what exactly is reasoning? Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine your teacher gives you a difficult math question. Do you immediately write the answer? Of course not. First, you read the context carefully and then you can understand what is being asked. And then you can solve it step by step. That entire thinking process is called reasoning. Modern AI works in a similar way. Instead of predicting the next word, it analyzes the problem, understands the context, and evaluates the different possibilities, and then generate the most logical answer. Now let's talk about chain of thought. The name sounds bit technical, but the idea is actually very simple. Imagine you are climbing to the second floor of a building. You don't directly jump to the top. You climb one step at once until you reach your destination. AI follows the same principle. Whenever it receives a complex problem, it doesn't try to solve everything at once. Instead, it breaks the problem into smaller logical steps and then it can solve one step, then second step, and then third step. And finally, it combines everything and generates much more accurate answer. That process is called chain of thought. Now you might be wondering what does scaling means. Scaling simply means improving AI's reasoning over time. Researchers make AI better by training it on higher quality data, improving learning techniques, and developing more advanced models. As reasoning improves, AI becomes better at solving different problems, writing cleaner code, understand the different business scenarios, and making more accurate decisions. Another important technology behind this improvement is called DPO, Direct Preference Optimization. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine two students give the same answer. The first student gives the basic answer and the second student gives the detailed, structure, and much more accurate answer. Naturally, the teacher will choose the second one. So what's the future? The future of artificial intelligence is not just about producing a large language model. It is about building an AI model that can think smarter and understand the problem more deeply and can give the more accurate answer. Reasoning and chain thought scaling are helping AI move from simply answering questions to the actually solving the real world problem. That's why these technologies are becoming one of the biggest breakthroughs on artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, support the Digital Product Official for more insights on artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and business innovation. See you in the next video.